In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your Squarespace website to Google Analytics. Integrating Google Analytics with your Squarespace site is an essential step for anyone looking to track their website's performance and gain valuable insights into their audience's behavior. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless connection between your website and Google Analytics, allowing you to make data-driven decisions with ease. First things first, you need to log into your Squarespace dashboard and open your website. This is your main control center where you can manage all the settings and features of your site. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find all the options you need to customize your website. From the menu, navigate down to Website and then click on Settings. This will open up a panel with a variety of options. The Settings panel is your go-to place for adjusting anything from your site's design to its security features. But for now, we're focusing on connecting to Google Analytics. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Settings panel until you find Developer Tools. This section is particularly useful for those who want to add custom code or connect with external services like Google Analytics. Once you're in Developer Tools, you'll need to click on External API Keys. This is where you'll input your Google Analytics information. You'll see a field labeled Google Analytics or Google Analytics account number. This is where you will paste your Google Analytics measurement ID. Before you do this step, make sure you have your measurement ID handy. It usually looks something like GXXXX. This unique ID is what links your Squarespace website to your Google Analytics account, so it's crucial to get it right. Go ahead and paste your copied GXXXX measurement ID directly into the text box provided. This action is what establishes the connection between your site and Google Analytics. Once you've done that, double-check to ensure there are no extra spaces or typos, as this can prevent the connection from working correctly. Finally, click Save. By saving your changes, you're confirming that your Squarespace site should now speak directly with Google Analytics. This connection will allow Google Analytics to start collecting data immediately, giving you insights into your site's traffic, user behavior, and much more. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Squarespace website to Google Analytics. This simple integration opens up a world of data that can help you optimize your website, understand your audience, and ultimately achieve your online goals. Remember, regularly checking this data can provide you with actionable insights to improve your site's performance. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on managing your online presence. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.